Okay, I'm going to do probably chapter 25 and 26 together. This is congenital abnormalities. So let's go ahead and start here. These codes are going to start off with Q's. Okay, this isn't a hard chapter. Um, Again, a couple of different things with this chapter. You can have a congenital abnormality. It can be used throughout your whole patient life. Again, they're just abnormal conditions present at birth, but a lot of times they don't pop up until a patient's maybe 20, 30. So keep that in mind. With this, a lot of times when you're looking things up, make sure you look for congenital. Again, not acquired. So keep that in mind. And you're going to use the terms anomaly or deformity a lot of times as your main terms to find these codes. Okay, so with this, it can be reported at any age, can be used for an adult, so you could use a Q code on an adult's chart. Again, when a newborn is diagnosed with a congenital condition, you assign that congenital code and then again the Z38 live-born infants code. Okay, we'll get into the baby codes coming up here next. With the baby codes, we're talking P codes here, birth trauma. Okay, and these are just different things that babies can be born with. I'm not going to go through these because, like I said, this isn't a very hard chapter with this Q codes, and we will talk about the baby's chart here momentarily.